Dear investors, welcome back to my channel. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the G20 Energy Ministers Meet in Goa. He said, "Energy is crucial for sustainable development at both individual and national levels. India is making significant efforts in green growth and energy transition. India has achieved its non-fossil installed electric capacity target ahead of schedule and aims to achieve 50% non-fossil installed capacity by 2030. India is a global leader in solar and wind power, as evident from the Pavagada Solar Park and Modhera Solar Village. Achievements in the last 9 years include connecting over 190 million families with LPG and providing electricity to every village. India aims for inclusive, resilient, equitable, and sustainable energy for all. Initiatives include the world's largest lead distribution program, agricultural pump solarization, and promoting the domestic electric vehicle market. The country is working on green hydrogen as an alternative to decarbonize India and become a global hub for its production and export. The Prime Minister stressed the importance of advancing sustainable, affordable, and clean energy transition for the Global South, ensuring low-cost finance for developing countries. Collaboration on future fuels, technology gaps, energy security, and transnational grid interconnections are encouraged. India invites all nations to join the Green Grids initiative of the International Solar Alliance. Mission Life, Lifestyle for Environment, aims to make everyone a climate champion, drawing from India's traditional wisdom. The Prime Minister emphasized the need to preserve the planet, protect our global family's interests, and move towards a green future regardless of the energy transition. Thanks for watching this video.